that was scary.
Yo, I heard that screech. Wait, who was that? Was that
It's Jonathan.
Oh, that was him?
Yeah.
Oh, because you slowed down?
Yeah, because Lee started to slow down, so I slowed down. Lee put on his hazards because
I thought that was Angel. Because he went like a... I thought you slid from the stop sign.
nah. Good? I'm gonna keep my distance. Damn.
You gotta be careful too. You guys is he leading?
Angel?
Yeah.
Yeah.
No. I should let Lee lead.
Yeah, last time I came here was on my SI. Red light. Which way, buddies? Which way? I think we gotta make a right over here. Is it this road? No, it's the next one.
Technically, we had the yield.
Yeah, but left turns come after right. That person's booking it though.
Yeah.
He's like, I want to join in on the fun.
Ew, you don't know my car.
No, I know. I'm not pushing it.
Last time, you know, fucking slide into the bush and shit.
Yep. Doing a lot of engine braking. A lot of engine braking. Letting the engine slow down.
I don't know, my tires ain't so good. Not no more.
Going surprise. One by the speed you were going, and two by this fucking Subaru Fancy. Yeah, it's an old lady in there.
Oh, the car?
I guess so. The old lady, she's driving. She was driving.
She was having fun. She was whipping it. One in a lifetime.
Old lady driving the Subaru.
She was having fun. We made a
She
right.
was moving, man.
Oh man.
Either that or she was afraid. She just scared the
Tell
living
him.
shit. Nah. She probably scared the living shit out of her.
She's like, oh my god, they're gonna hit me off the road if I don't go.
Billy, Angel said pull up next to him on our side.
Oh. Are you guys gonna run it?
We did that shit quick.
Got it.
Oh, yeah, see you.
Actually, let me stay in this lane.
You got the jump. I thought you had it.
Is that Lee?
Yeah.
Was Chris putting like on Angel?
Wait, what?
Was Angel putting force in it?
Was Angel pulling for?
Force in it?
I think. Apparently he had the jump start to it too.
Chris, you should have recorded that.
I got it from behind you guys.
I should have. I was caught in the moment. My bad.
Yo, I got the recording on my GoPro. We're good.
Antonio has the GoPro on his head, so he probably got it.
That's what I just said.
Did you think we're?
You were recording the whole time?
Yeah, bro, I was. I got that GoPro on my head right now.
Can I sit in your passenger seat?
Wait, I think it died. Now I'm fucking with you guys.
This guy.
Do we just wait for it to turn red?
We're doing
Roll bet.
Oh no.
We're gonna be on the right side.
I think I had bad wheel hop there.
Me too. Horrible.
I'm gonna still do a clickbait title. Type R versus Elantra N rolling start.